Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis in the past, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of the red right now just because it doesn't really pertain to the chart. However, as far as this green line is concerned, definitely not only does it pertain to the chart, it's actually bringing up a pretty big talking point as far as, chart traders, technical traders, whatever you want to call them, would be concerned. So I do want to say that none of this am I proclaiming to be some sort of like great discovery on my part. A lot of eyeballs are going to be watching and wondering this. I bring that up because when lots of eyeballs are watching a certain price level and wondering a certain thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, but there can be some pretty big price moves that are generated because of it. So again, by no means is this a great revolutionary discovery. A lot of people are watching and wondering the same thing, and that is just, is the price going to be able to hold up right here around $17.75, 70 cents, give or take a little bit? Why is that important? Well, it's kind of like a double whammy, if you will. The first whammy is just via this green line here, which so far is so good. The price has actually been bouncing off above. However, the next level, or the next whammy, I should call it, is this pink line here, which on my chart is denoting the 200 period simple moving average. And even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when prices are above it, then yeah, you ideally do want to see it act as support, and it's an area that a lot of people pay attention to. So you have both these areas right around this 1970-ish area, give or take. So there's going to be a lot of people wondering what exactly is going to occur. Now, I really wish trading was this easy where I could say, well, the prices bounced off this area before, so it's for sure going to bounce. But, there are no for sures in the market, no such thing as a guarantee. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, that would not be shocking at all. But, it is an area that, is worth keeping an eye on. Now, if the price does bounce, initial area to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average, currently valued at $20.20. But remember, that is a moving average, so that value is going to move and change as time goes by. But that'll be the first level of resistance if it does bounce. Now, in the event the price does not bounce and it actually breaks down through there, the next key level of support in my mind is down here right around $19.40. So not saying that it'll flush straight down there. With that being said, because so many eyes are watching this, it would not be shocking at all if the price did make a pretty quick jump down to the 1940 mark, if not even a little bit lower. But these are certainly levels that I'll be keeping an eye on tomorrow from a technical perspective. So let's see how this one plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.